notification resets. The notification bell is ring, and like, now today we're doing, if I see this, like, is that like something ended, it's not tied, or whatever this is? Like, sure, it is tied. No, it's not ended, it's not tied. It is tied. Now, I'll give a few seconds to guess what I'm doing. Alrighty, we're good. Alrighty, now, I'm surprised for you guys at the end of this video, or is it at the end of tomorrow's video? Let's see. Now, I have a surprise for you guys at the end of tomorrow's video. Yeah, I'll surprise for you guys at the end of today's video, and maybe even at the end of tomorrow's video too. If you guys don't give me enough life and enough time by tomorrow, then I'm gonna have to guess what I'm doing tomorrow myself. Alrighty, now I got this tag. Yeah, I'll get a few seconds to guess what I'm doing. And you guys making slime, then I'll come with that. What you need is some type of detergent. I use Tide. If you could buy clean detergent, that would be great. So then it wouldn't change the color of your slime unless you buy the clear Tide. This is the blue Tide. You can tap on the tab. And also it just doesn't look like the clear one. So yeah, but comment down below. But yeah, I don't know why I was saying comment down below. Then I got this pink over my mouth that tastes pink blue. And I got all of this stuff in the dollar store, guys. So, thank you, Dollar Tree, for having all this stuff that I Tide, pink clear glue. So I never saw clear glue. That's that comes in a box, a different color that has no glitter. I usually only get clear glitter glue. I've never got colored glue, clear glue, without glitter. And then I have this fork you can use a spoon. And then I have this knife you can use a spoon or a fork. Then I have this container. Everything here is from Dollar Tree. So yes, technically Dollar Tree sponsored the show. So yeah, if Dollar Tree is sponsoring this video. If you like slime, make sure you go to the Dollar Tree, buy Jumping World. That is the Dollar Tree that I went to, and at Jumping World, that's where I got all this stuff, except for this point. Everything else I got. And from Dollar Tree, I will show you guys what else I got. But right now, let's get on with the video. Okay. Now, I got it. Now, what you need to do, I'm going to show you guys what I do. I'm going to be making it in the cup too. Okay. Now, if you are new to my channel, well, it's my first slime video. And I'll let you guys know this, but I like to use the whole thing. So I'm going to use the whole thing. Oh my god, it's a lot more than I thought it would be in this little bitty roll. I wish I put glue in this. And I wish I bought glitter from the store. So I was supposed to buy so I can make glitter-free slime that I forgot, and I'm just not thinking about it. Making slime. Now, my slime is pretty boring, just not doing that much stuff. So, just gotta get a little bit in here. It's not a lot in here, guys. The color is going to change into purple. You already have a purple blue. This is really pretty. This is really, like, really pretty, guys. And maybe I will definitely use more activators. Let's get some. well, that's a lot. You get plant and my favorite part about making a slime, just in case any of you guys wonder, my favorite part is playing with it. Comment down below your favorite part of making slime if you have made slime before. And if you haven't, you should try it out because I'm teaching you guys how to make it right now. So you should try it. It is really easy and fun. Oh, well, that's a lot. I hope this is stretchy. I want stretchy slime. I hope this slime is stretchy. It has turned purple because of the freaking blue tie. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit. Oh, wow, that's a lot. Time to get it all done. Okay. Now, oh my god, I love this. Feels like it's not too sticky, but it's sticky. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. It is purple. I know on the camera it looks pink still, but it is actually purple. See, you can see that it's turning more purple when I mix it. The thing is, if you don't like sticky slime, then make sure you add a lot of activator to clear it. Now, white glue, then you can add a little bit, but clear too, it'll get really sticky if you don't add enough. It'll turn into slime, but it'll be really sticky. See? See what I mean? That's pretty sticky, huh? Comment down below if you guys like sticky slime or soft slime. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. Not even clear anymore. It's like a spider web. A purple spider web. Oh my gosh, in the camera it looks pure purple. But in real life, it's like a spider web. In real life, this is like a spider web. It's like sort of turning white. A whitish purple. I did not expect for this to happen, guys. And you guys have, if you guys were wondering and then the beginning of the video, just because I did not say this, why I said, you guys are probably wondering why I said twins or a sleeping lady twin dog. I'm sorry, I wish I did. But no, I was babysitting my little sister and brother. So yeah, make sure you can check out the last video, which is like a few hours ago. This is into legit. Like, look at how sticky this is. I know. I need to grab that. This